Namaste everyone, here I am going to introduce about limit. First of all, try to understand about its definition. Limit of a function at a point. Here we have to understand about function. We have to consider on a function and a point. What will be an arbitrary constant? Let fx be a function. Let a and l be constants such that fx approaches to l as x approaches to a. Then limit of function fx as x approaches a is l. This is definition of function. Here try to understand about fx is approaching to a. It means there is a slight difference between fx and l. It is as small as we please. Similarly, x approaches to a, it means modulus of x minus a, it will be as small as we please. There is a slight difference between x and a. Similarly, there is a slight difference between fx and l. Now, try to understand x tends to a. What is meaning of x tends to a? Here, value of x is slightly less than a. So, x is approaching to a from left side. This is left of a. It means value of x is slightly less than a. It is denoted as x minus. X is approaching to a from left side. X approaches to a minus, to this a. It means x is approaching to a from left side. Here, value of x is slightly greater than x. As small as we please. A small value is greater than x. Value of a is slightly greater than x. So, x is approaching to a from right side. Right side. Value of x is a very small, greater than this a. So, it is denoted as a plus. X is approaching from right side. Here, x is approaching to a either from left side, this is left side, or from this right side. Value of x is slightly less than a or slightly greater than a. Right. Here, x is approaching to 3 either from left side or from right side. It means value of x is 2.99 or 2.98 and so on. Slight less than this 3 left. X is approaching to 3 from left side. When we put value of x, that is 3.001 or x is equal to 3.01, then it means x is approaching to 3 from right side. This is meaning of x approaches to a. We read it x. This symbol represents approaches to or tends to. Now we can find limit of a function. Either from left side or from right side or from both sides. Suppose fx is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. When x is equal to 3, then fx, it will be, we have to substitute value of x as 3. 3 square minus 9 by 3 minus 3. That is 9 minus 9 by 3 minus 3. That is 0 by 0. Undefined. This is undefined or indeterminate form. We can't find value of fx in this way. But when x is not equal to 3, x is not equal to 3, x is slightly less than 3 or slightly greater than 3, then we can find its value like this. Then fx will be x square minus 9 by x minus 3. We can solve it like this. X square minus 3 square by x minus 3. We can write it like this. It will be x plus 3 into x minus 3 by x minus 3. This will be cancelled. Hence, fx, value of fx is x plus 3. Now, when we substitute value of x, that is slightly less than 3. When we substitute value of x, that is 2.99, this one, plus 3. When we add it, then we get 5.99. We can change it into like decimal and add. Value of x is taken which is slightly less than 3 from left side. So this one is called left limit. We can take value of x slightly greater than 3 also, like this. When we put value of x, that is 3.01, then x plus 3, it will be 3.01 plus 3, that is 6.01, which is nearer to 6, which is nearer to constant 6. In this way, value of function fx, value of this function fx, hence limit function, that is x square minus 9 by x minus 3, where x is approaching to 3. Value of x is slightly less than 3 or slightly greater than 3, that is 6. Value of this function is obtained, that is 6. We can take another example also. Suppose fx is equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2. Even in this form, when x is equal to 2, then value of fx, when x is equal to 2, then value of fx 2 square minus 4 by 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 4 by 2 minus 2, that is 0 by 0. This is undefined. This is again undefined. Now we have taken value of x which is not equal to 2, but it is slightly less than 2 or slightly greater than 2. When x is not equal to 2, then fx, it is x square minus 4 by x minus 2, that is x square minus 2 square by x minus 2, which is further x plus 2 into x minus 2 by x minus 2. In this way we have x plus 2. Now we have to take value of x which is slightly less than 2 or slightly greater than 2, like this. Suppose this is 2, then here will be 1, here will be 3, 1, 2, 3. This is number line, and x is approaching to 2, either from left side. To denote it is approaching 2 from left side, then we have to represent here, we have to put here minus symbol like this. Then value of x will be 1.9 and so on, 999 and so on. And x is approaching to 2 plus, then value of 2 will be, then value of x will be decimal 2.01 and so on. Now here value of function will be, we have to replace this x by 1.9. 1.9 plus 2, that is, we can solve it like this. After changing it into like decimal, we have 3.9, which is nearer to 4. This is from left side. Now we have to put value of x from right side. Then we have x plus 2, value of x, that is 2.01 plus this 2, decimal 0, 0. Now we have 4.01, which is also nearer to 4. Hence, limit of fx when x tends to 2, x approaches to 2, that is 4, which is approaching to 4. In this way, we get the limit of this function fx at point 2, either from left side or from right side. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.